Can you introduce yourself and give some information about Band?
Yeah, my name is Christian Müller. I'm a project manager here at Band, which is the short form for Business Angels Association Network in Germany, Business Angels Netzwerk Deutschland. And we are existing since 2001. As 2001, we are the official umbrella organization for business angels and the early stage investors in Germany. We're busy with lobby work, doing lobby work for our members, for the business angels in Germany. We are creating awareness for the business angel scene to get better circumstances for the business angels investing in Germany. And for the rest, we are organizing events like networking events and creating events for the members and startups to gain information. And furthermore, we are the official German business angel voice in Europe.
Yeah, thank you. Take 2. Would you be so kind to explain in general what a business angel is?
Business angels are mostly wealthy people and very experienced business people who think and act in entrepreneurial manner. Mostly you can think about a best ager, and how we define a business angel is always with 2 wings, like one wing with a capital wing, and the other wing is the knowledge wing, because a business angel is always giving, on the one hand, money into the startup, but on the other hand, as well, knowledge and connections into the industry, and giving a network like that. What else can you say is a business angel is always at the very beginning of a startup, at the start of the funding chain. So this is the reason why the risk of the investment of a business angel is is the biggest in the whole funding chain. So it's important to know that it's a growing sector, the business angel sector, and that the business angels are very important for the economic growth, because they are developing new industries and new startups, new companies. Besser, ne?
In which phase and how does a business angel invest, and what do business angels look for?
Business angels differ very much in the perspective of what they are looking for. You can think about different technology sectors they want to invest in, but what they actually do all have in common are 3 things. This is in the first place the idea of the startup. It must be innovative and scalable, and it must be possible to earn money with the idea, with the business case. Secondly, there must be a team which is very which is technical skills in the things they're doing, they're developing. They have to have management skills to manage their business, and furthermore they have to soft skills like reliable, and it must be possible to work with them, and this is important too. And the third thing is there must be a well worked out business plan. So the figures of the financial developing of the startup must be clearly, and these are the 3 things business angels in common are looking for. When you ask in which phase they are active, it's always quite the early stage, so the very beginning of a business, of a startup, so the seed phase or the startup phase. And yeah, they do invest like giving money to the company, and for the money they receive shares of the company, and after a few years of yeah, hopefully a good development of the startup, they give it away, they sell in their shares with a profit. So that's the deal actually. Yeah. War unfassbar.
Who are the band members and how big is your network?
Yeah, you have to differ between direct and indirect members, because we have direct members which are single persons who are a member on their own, so-called accredited angels. This is the one hand, and on the other hand we have like members like regional networks, like for example, VCs and early stage VCs and incubators. And so in total we think about 2,000 to 2,300 members, including all these different groups of angels and yeah, investors. And perhaps some figures about our accredited angels are interesting. So in the last year, the average investment of an accredited business angel was about 330,000 euro, and in total through the year. And in average deal was like an investment of 115,000 euros. So yeah, these figures are the size of the network is like 2,000 to 2,300 business angels. Only in Germany, yeah. Oh, some few in Austria and Switzerland, but the 99% are from Germany, yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Can you define the role of Bund with a focus on startups?
Bund is in Germany one of the central points of contact for innovative startups seeking for a capital. So we build up like a solicitation system, which we do with our so-called one-pager, which is actually a very small version of a business plan of the startup. And the startups do send this one-pager to us, and we are checking it and sending it as a deal flow every 2 weeks to our members. And so we bring the startups in connection with all the members of Bund, the business angels. And so this is on the one hand a service for our members, the business angels. On the other hand, a very good service for the startups that are getting in contact with the business angels. So furthermore, we are creating networking, knowledge transfer, and matchmaking events. So if you think about investment readiness, so for startups it's always important to get on the level a business angel can invest in the startup, and we're doing this investment readiness events. And furthermore we're doing activities like for example now the Women Business Angel Year is actually in the first place it's to gain more female business angels and investors all over Germany, but we want to inspire also female startups to or via more female investors. We want to gain more female startups or founders, and yeah, that's what we do.
That's the main focus is good. Okay.
Hmm?
Can you give some insights into the German angel scene?
Oh yeah. Now it's a little difficult because there's actually not the German angel scene, because it differs quite strongly between sectors and regions. But it's yeah, and furthermore, it's like a little difficult to get resilient figures. But what we can say is there are about 10,000 business angels, approximately about 10,000 active business angels in Germany. About 2,300 are organized in Bund as a biggest international network. Some figures are probably interesting. So there was a study in 2020 of the ZEW that said that in Germany the business angels are at this time the most important investors in the early stage, and invested like 2.5 billion euros in the last year. So they're by saying this, it means that the VC investors are not the strongest or the most important investors in the early stage phase, because they did spend much less in 2019. So yeah, probably this is important to know about the scene in Germany, that there are at this time the most important investor sector.
If we take a closer look at the region where Band is located, North Rhine-Westphalia, or even closer, the Ruhr region?
So yeah, it's quite a lively business angel and startup scene here in the western part of Germany. It's from my point of view, it's important to say that you don't have to look always to Berlin or the other big cities like Munich or Hamburg, which are probably known. But it's important to say that we have here in North Rhine-Westphalia some very lively and pulsing metropolises, like for example Cologne, Düsseldorf, and especially also the Ruhr region. In case of the Ruhr region, it's a former industry region, and at this time you have, because of all these cities very close to each other, you have a very good infrastructure, which is quite important for a company who wants to start up here. Furthermore, we have excellent conditions because of there are so many universities and high schools here in this region, and so there's a very much knowledge which comes up here from the universities. You have a lot of technology incubators here in this region, and all in all, I think you can say very, very good conditions here in the rural region, which is probably a region that is not so famous like other regions in Germany. Yeah. Yeah.
Thanks for your time and for your answers.
Thank you very much for these nice questions, and I hope you can get some useful answers of it and get some information you need. Yeah.
Yeah, nice day. Bye.
Bye.